I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what Windows thinks your keyboard is. Open Settings, go to Time and Language, then Language and Region. Once there, check Preferred Languages and click the 3 dots to view keyboard options. You want ENUS for a standard add-on Shift+2 or ENGB for the opposite. Make sure you can toggle with Win plus space and observe the on-screen indicator. This step prevents changing drivers unnecessarily and pinpoints whether the problem is a layout mismatch or something deeper. Once you've identified the wrong layout, add the correct one. In Language Options, choose Add a Keyboard and select the layout you need. Then remove any unwanted layouts to stop accidental toggling. This matters because multiple layouts cause the exact swap you see. Make the desired layout the default and sign out or restart Explorer to force application. After signing back in, test Shift+2 and Shift+ to confirm and behave as expected. This ensures Windows maps keys to the right characters. If layouts are correct, but keys still swap, update or reinstall the keyboard driver in Device Manager, drivers can misreport layouts. Also open Advanced Keyboard Settings to disable or reassign input language hotkeys. Sometimes Alt plus Shift or Control plus Shift flips layouts unexpectedly. If problems persist, plug in another keyboard to rule out physical key mapping and check recent Windows updates or perform a system restore to before the issue. These steps identify hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.